I'm Leanne, and today we're going to talk about unit pricing. You know, saving money while food shopping can be really hard. I know. We clip our coupons, we make our lists, we compare the weekly ads, and we try as best as we can not to shop on impulse. But unless we use unit pricing, we're not going to save as much money as we can. So, what's a unit price? Why is it important? The thing that a unit price allows you to do is compare. It can help you compare the same product but different sizes, or the same product but different brands. And once you're able to understand and use the unit price, then you're really going to get the best deals and save the most money. The unit price label can be found on the shelf right below the item. On the unit price label, you will find the price per unit of an item, pounds, ounces, grams, liters. You also see the total price of the item name, and the total amount of units in the package. So what's important is that you look for an item that has the lowest unit price. That's what's going to save you money. When using unit prices to compare costs, you gotta make sure that you check the label. The size and name of item should match what's on the label. You could also just use the serial number to be sure. Sometimes you'll find that the store is out of the item you need, especially if it's on sale. If you don't need it right away, go to customer service and get a rain check. That way, when you're shopping again, you can still get that good price. Now, let's take a look at some examples. Okay, so we have a 12.25 ounce box of Honey Nut Cheerios and a 17 ounce box of Honey Nut Cheerios. When looking at it, it does cost more to buy the big box. The 12.25 ounce box of Honey Nut Cheerios is $4.95 a pound, but the 17 ounce box of Honey Nut Cheerios is $4.51 a pound. So, what's the better deal? In this case, it's the bigger 17 ounce box that's the better deal because it costs less money per ounce. Bigger isn't always better. You gotta make sure you check unit prices to be sure. Here's another example. We have two 26 ounce cans of chicken noodle soup, store brand versus name brand. The 26 ounce can of chicken noodle soup that is store brand costs 92 cents per pound. The name brand can is $1.45 per pound. What's the better deal? The store brand. It's the same size but costs less. You have to make sure though that you always check those unit prices. Sometimes the name brand can cost less, especially when it's on sale. Now you're at the store buying wheat bread. You want to compare the unit prices of different brands for a 24 ounce loaf. The unit price label on one loaf says it costs $2.66 per pound. The other one has a unit price of $2.99 per pound. Which is the better buy? The loaf of wheat bread that has a unit price of $2.66 is the better deal. Using unit prices is very important. If you compare unit prices every time you shop, you'll save money. Every time. For these tips and more, visit us at SnapEd for Me.